Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm just going to do a natural beat, and I'm going to start off by applying the Sasha magnifying primer all over my face, on my forehead and on my cheeks, and I'm just going to rub that in, make sure it's nicely blended into my skin.
Hear me out, can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. I don't want this.
I'm just patting that in, make sure everything is nice and dry. I'm just using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set my primer, and I'm just using that all over my face, and this Buttercup powder is one of my favorite setting powders.
Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again to someone who's got the toe.
I'm using these two concealers today. It's from Makeup Revolution in the shade C13 and C18. I'm using the C13 for my highlight and the C18 as my contour.
Let me go, let me out, but time is precious to me, so you just have to.
As you can see, I didn't go all the way back with my concealer. I kept it right underneath my eyes because it tends to make my face look wider when I carry it back, so I just kept it right underneath my eye level.
Gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you get issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of.
Now I'm using the C18 to contour my nose. I'm just using a small brush to make sure everything is nice and neat. I'm just chiseling out that contour now, making sure everything is blended in nicely. Now I'm using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to set my concealer underneath my eyes, on my forehead and on my chin. Now I'm going to get started on the brows, and I just brush those hairs back with the spoolie. And I'm using the LA Girl gel liner in the shade dark brown.
I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the touch. Guess I'm not into you that much. So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself again.
Now I'm gonna go in to clean up my brows, I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C16 to clean up underneath my brows.
Let me go, let me out, but time is precious to me, so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me good, there's no doubt, but you're the one that's missing out. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey, I think we lost the time.
Now I'm just setting my concealer with the same Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just making sure everything is nice and set.
So goodbye, my love. Already found someone that I'm thinking of, and I lose myself.
Now I'm using this Maybelline Falsies mascara. It's an oldie but a goodie mascara. I love it. I'm just gonna apply my favorite pair of lashes. Now I'm just lining my lips with a Jordana lip liner in brown.
See me now, why don't you hear me out? Can't you see what we're about? I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you got issues, yeah, don't you take them out of me. Honey,
Now I'm gonna apply some blush using this BH blush palette. I'm just gonna apply that all over my cheeks. Make sure everything is nicely blended in.
So goodbye.
So what you guys think of this natural look? If you like it, show me some love, give me a big thumbs up, please subscribe, comment below. Let's reach these 1,000 subscribers together, and I'll see you all in the next video.
To someone who's got the